What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see from the title below, this is a Bath and Body Works haul slash aromatherapy. And as y'all know, Christmas time is coming up, so you might be thinking like, what should I get my mom? What should I get my dad? What should I get my significant other? Even what you should get yourself. So I felt like this would be a really good video to let y'all know about some aromatherapies, especially for like your mom or your dad, because y'all, my mama love this stuff. I just wanted to put y'all up on game because this is actually something that I just found out about, and they said that it's been out for like a few years now. So, you know, I just found out about this. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. We're gonna start off with sleep and disclaimer. A little disclaimer. So I think it's 3 different kinds of sleep. I got 2. So this one is the lavender and cedar wood, and I got the black, I forget how to pronounce this, give me a second. I had it earlier. Chamomile. Okay, so I got the lavender and cedar wood and the black chamomile, and I believe it is a lavender and vanilla, but I didn't get that one because I didn't really like the vanilla smell. So a little disclaimer, but I love how Bath and Body Works has different colors depending on which one you get. So this one is like a dark blue color, and I got the body oil, the bath wash, or yeah, the body wash, and I got the body lotion. The body wash and the body lotion both have a retail price of $13.50, and when I tell y'all, it smells so good. I think like the cedar wood just has a really strong smell, so it really helps when you talk about lavender and cedar wood. But this is supposed to inspire tranquility and help calm your mind. And I used this last week when I was sick, just because I couldn't sleep throughout the night. I was coughing, and I used this, and when I tell y'all, I did not have no problem sleeping. And I put the oil, this stuff, I put it in like my little oil diffuser, and I just slept all night. This is body oil, but you can literally use it for anything. This retails at $16.50. So I know this is a little expensive for body oil, but it's so good, y'all. So that's sleep. And next, we're gonna do black chamomile. Honestly, I got this because I really like the gray. I felt like it was a nighttime lotion and body wash. So that's honestly why I got this, because this wasn't my first choice. But this one smells really good too. So it's supposed to help calm the mind and the body and create a sense of well-being. So this one smells really good too. It basically does the same thing as the other sleep, but it has a different type of oil, so it has a different type of scent. So it all just depends on what you like, and yeah, you can choose either one, honestly. Next, I got energy. Let me tell y'all something about energy. I had a love-hate relationship for energy because it has a very strong citrus smell. So if you don't like the smell of citrus, then I wouldn't recommend you get energy. But energy is orange and ginger, which is why it has a strong citrus smell, and it's supposed to uplift you and energize your senses. So I would use this in the morning. Actually, this is not like a nighttime thing. Yeah, the smell is pretty strong, but it smells good still, so that's why I got it. And I got the lotion and the body wash for this one too. Next, I'm gonna show y'all Focus. So I only got the body oil for Focus. You don't have to get the oil, the body lotion, the body wash. You don't have to get all of that. You can literally mix and match whatever you want to get, what you think you'll use the most. So for Focus, I only got the oil because I felt like this would be good to use while I'm at school. Say if I'm reading or taking an exam or something, I really can't focus, I can just rub this on my hands and, you know, get it back together. So this is why I got focused, and I only got the oil for this one. I didn't get anything else, but this actually smells really good, and this is eucalyptus and tea. This is the one I kind of went overboard on because I felt like this was one of my faves, and this is stress relief. Y'all, I can't do stress. Like, I will not be stressed. I will not be stressed. And this smells so good. And I got literally everything except for, I think they had like a body scrub or something, but I got everything except for that. So I'm gonna start off with the basics. I got the body wash and I got the lotion, and this is eucalyptus and spearmint, and it's supposed to clear your mind and soothe and uplift. So this, y'all, I love this stuff. I think it's the spearmint smell, I guess, because this is kind of strong, but it smells really good. I got the oil. Like I had to get the oil. I refuse to be stressed. You know, if you got school, if you got a significant other that's stressing you out, if you got work that's stressing you out, baby, look no further. Look no further. Aromatherapy. I only seen this one in stress relief, and it's like a luxury bath. I pour this in my bath while I'm running it, and it basically just creates like bubbles, and it has a really good smell. I thought this was like fun to have. As you can see, I used it. As you can see, I used quite, you know, a lot of this, so it's definitely a good thing to have. Some other things that I got, y'all know I couldn't leave Bath and Body Works without getting candles. This was one of the candles I got, and this is champagne toast, and it's so pretty. Look at it, y'all. It is so pretty, and it smells so freaking good. And I just love like how Bath and Body Works designs these cute little candles, and they have a sale right now, so definitely go get y'all some candles. And the other candle that I got is fresh sparkling snow, and this is like, it's literally a fresh smell. It smells so good, and this is what it looks like. I think the candles is really cute, but that's all I got for the candles because I didn't want to go overboard. But I really wanted to focus on the aromatherapy line because I know a lot of people probably like, oh, does this really relieve stress? Does this really help with sleeping? But y'all, the smells are just so relaxing and soothing. So I think y'all should look into it and definitely try stress relief, because I feel like if you can't sleep, you probably stressing. If you have trouble focusing, you probably stressing. So if anything, try out stress relief, and you know, all your problems might go away. I just want to thank y'all for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. If y'all ever tried aromatherapy, comment and let me know what scent y'all try and what's your favorite. If you never tried it, let me know what you think would be the best for you. I think that aromatherapy, or you know, even candles or anything like that from Bath and Body Works would be a very good Christmas present. So yeah, I just want to thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.